Hello, everybody out there in the vintage sewing machine world. I bought this Davis vertical feed from Facebook Marketplace for $40, and I believe it dates somewhere around 1909, 1915, something to that effect. It really didn't need a whole lot other than just a deep cleaning. It's actually in really good shape. So this is my first treadle machine. Never thought I would own one of these. Really, the only reason I snagged it was because the price was so cheap, it was in great condition, and because it has that great walking foot. And so the walking foot, if you're not familiar with these, pulls the fabric forward. Right there you can see, and there are no feed dogs. So what I'm going to go ahead and do today is I'm going to go ahead and put some old t-shirt fabric in there, some cotton. You'll have to forgive me if I'm a little not the greatest on this machine. This is my first treadle machine, and I don't quite have the hang of getting it started. So let's go ahead and see how it goes. Start the stitch. And one of the things you might notice, I do have it adjusted all the way to the longest stitch length, but it's still very short stitches. So I imagine something's needing adjusting and out of alignment, but right now I'm just happy that this is actually working and doing a great job. So here we go. Alrighty, let's take a look and see what we've got here. And there's the end of the bobbin thread. Look at that stitching. For a machine that's this old, it's a treadle machine, probably hasn't been used in decades. Let's turn it around and see the back side. Machine that has not been used in decades. I'm very, very surprised here. Yep. So I'm sure there's a few things I need to fine tune on this a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and practice on it a bit more, and hopefully be posting another one here for you soon. Hope you enjoyed that.